Hi there guys and girls. Good evening to each and every one of you. Let's have some late snacks. I have here a big city. Oh my gosh. Love it. Tastes so good. Sorry guys. It smells so good. And I also have here a mango slush and a water. Thank you so much for the service.
You're always welcome, Brittany. Kaya makakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe to Brittany. Pabutin natin siya ng 1 million for the
Pak na pak.
golden bottle.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much. Do you think I'm gonna like this?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure?
Yes, mix it yan.
Be the first sip.
No, the first sip first.
Okay.
The first sip.
Okay. How about be the first bite?
The first bite.
Be the first one to taste. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come on guys, don't be shy.